Okay, I'm at home. I don't have access to the file or to the share drive, so I'm just doing this because I think this is 215. So this is going to be called graphing linear inequalities. Follow me. So we're going to graph a linear inequality. A linear inequality means it's going to make a line. An inequality means there's going to be shading. I want greater than or less than. When I substitute numbers in, the left side's going to be compared to the right side, greater than, less than, depending on my sign. I'm going to get a whole bunch of choices of points that will be there. That's my solution. And I'm going to state one solution. So of course, the first thing is it has to be y equals less than, greater than, one of those, mx plus b, so that we can find the y-intercept. In this case, the y-intercept is 0, -5. The next thing we want is the slope, and once the y is alone, it's the coefficient of x. A slope of 2/1 tells me go up 2, right 1. So I'm going to start by graphing that y-intercept. It's the point 0. Don't go left or right. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Oh, surprise, surprise, surprise. It's on the y-axis. Oh, that's why we call it the y-intercept. Yeah, that's what happens. All right. So from there, up 2, 1, 2, right 1, right there. Up 2, 1, 2, right 1, right there. Up 2, 1, 2, right 1, right there. I'm having fun. Up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Remember, instead of up 2, right 1, I can go down and left. As long as I change both of them, I can get my point in either direction. Now I have to make a decision right here. Remember, greater than or less than are going to be dotted lines. So this is a dotted line. That means the points on that line are not included. So for example, the point 0, -5 would not work. Let's find out why. If we put that point in, that's for x, that's for y. Is -5 greater than 5 times 0 minus 5? Is -5 greater than -5? Nope, it's equal to. So that's why those points do not work. Now I have to decide what color I'm going to shade it. Well, I'm going to shade it yellow, and that's not what I meant. I meant which side. Am I shading above or am I shading below? That's where I'm going to erase that because now I'm looking at this. Y is greater than. Greater, Y has the great big mouth. Greater means go on any one of your points and go up to the sky. That's where the greater Y's are. And so that's the side we're going to shade. Once again, sure wish I had my highlighter. Okay, then it says I have to state one solution. There are a blue million. That's an official number, guys. A blue million number of solutions. There's one right here. 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 There's a gob ton of them. I can state any solution I want. I'm going to state this one, 0, 0. It's a nice, easy one to find. I don't have to worry about the positives and negatives. It's in the correct place. And remember, if I plug that in to y is greater than 2x minus 5, 0 for x, 0 for y, I get 0 is greater than -5. That's true. That tells me it is a solution. Okay, so next slide. Oh, looky, looky, y's not alone. So I'm going to subtract 3x. Okay, this is like the last video of the series. So we've been doing this forever. I'm getting kind of tired of saying it. You're getting kind of tired of hearing it. So that'll be our secret word right now. Tired. Make sure you write it with a sigh. I don't know how you do that. It'll be fun though. Fun to see what you come up with. So we're going to divide by -4. Now, bing, 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 bing. When you divide by a negative number, remember, that tells you you have to flip the sign. Then I'm going to look at this. A negative over negative is a positive 3 over 4x, and 12 divided by -4 is -3. Once I'm there, remember, I'm going to start with my y-intercept, 0, -3, and I'm going to identify my slope. Once the y is alone, it's the coefficient of x. 3 is positive up, 4 is positive right. So I'm going to start by graphing the y-intercept, 0, -3. Oh yeah, right there on the y-axis. There it is, there it is. I'm going to go up 3 and then right 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Now remember, instead of up, I could go down, but if I change that, I also have to change from right to left. So down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Decision time. Right here. Is the y included? Is that line included? Remember, less than or greater than are dotted, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to are solid. So once again, I have a dotted line. Now I'm going to look at this again. I'm going to change to yellow. I'm going to look at this again, and do I want the y's above or the y's below? Oh, look, again, the big mouth is eating my y. I want the y's that are greater. Greater than is up above. So I'm going to shade in that region. For my solution, 0, 0 is always a good one to check. It works. Look at all these that work. Any of these solutions. If your birthday's in there, let's see, my birthday's 5-3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I'm putting my birthday in there. That's in case you want to start buying me a present. Oh, another secret word, present. All right, next slide. All right, once again, let's get the y alone. We're going to divide by 4. Who made these up? They're all greater thans. So y is greater than or equal to. Reduce the slope if you can. You want to reduce the slope to make your life easier. Y-intercept 0, 5. Slope -1/2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, points are written sideways. So that means we always go left or right first, which we don't do, and then up or down. Slopes are written up or down, so that says we go up or down, in this case down, and then to the right. Ooh, that's so amazing. So my slope is down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, or instead of down and right, remember I can go up and left. Up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. Decision time. I've got greater than or equal to. Remember, greater than or equal to are solid lines. Whoa, that is a wobbly, wobbly line. That's a really bad line. Oh, well, it's good enough. Now, looking back here again, y's got the big mouth. Big mouth means big y's. You want the ones that are greater than, so they're the ones up above. Look at this time, the point 0, 0, not a solution. It's not in the shaded thing. My birthday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Yes, I could use my birthday. What if your birthday is a month before mine, April 3rd? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Right there. Is that point a solution? This time it is. All the points that are on the line this time are solutions. They would work because the line is solid. Okay, got to get the y alone. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. 5y is less than or equal to 2x plus 20. Divide by 5. I get y is less than or equal to 2/5 x plus 4. First thing I do is identify my y-intercept. It's the point 0, 4. My slope, because my y is alone, is the coefficient of x. 2's positive up, 5's positive right. 0, 4, don't go left or right, go up 4. It better land on the y-axis or you are messed up. Then we're going to go for our slope. Up 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, can't do that. So I could go down and left. Down 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's all I got. All right, solid or dotted? Solid. Yes, good answer, person. Whoever that was. Don't know who that was. How come it's solid? Because it's got the or equal to. Now, looking at the y, to make my decision which way I shade, y has the little point. I want the little y's. Y's are less than all the y's on here. So all the little y's are down below. So when it comes time for your point, oh, so many choices. 0, 0 would work this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. My birthday works. When's your birthday? It's tomorrow? I don't know what day tomorrow is, so let's just say it's September 20th. That won't work. I only have a 9x9 grid. Sorry, your birthday's a loser. Actually, September, I don't know. I don't know if it's a winner or a loser. We'd have to put it in to find out. I'm going to just put 0, 0, and I'm going to draw a birthday present because I feel bad that I called your birthday a loser. It is not. It's a wonderful birthday. There you go. Okay. Oh, look at this one. This is one of those special lines. How do I know that? It only has an x. So I go to my personal favorite, hoi vux. Here's the x. I'm dealing with an x. That tells me it is a vertical line. It's going up or down. I'm going to go to where x is -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right there. Is it a solid line or a dotted line? It's going to be a dotted vertical line that goes right through the point. X is -7. Remember, if it's only an x, it will only go through the x-axis. It will not touch the y-axis. So now, instead of going up or down, this one's a little different. Because I just have x is greater. I want the ones that are bigger x's, so all of the bigger x's are to the right. The reason I go up and down when I'm looking at the y is because y's go up and down. X's go left and right, so that time I go left to right. Is my favorite point 0, 0 solution? You betcha. Remember to check that. Is 0 greater than -7? Yep. Okay, I'm going to guess when I push this next slide, it's going to be a checkpoint. It's not. There are no checkpoints on this. Oh, that's because this is a follow me. You're doing everything with me. Ah, silly Willy. Is this one also special? This is special. How do I know that? Because I only have a y. So when I do that, I'm going to write hoi vux. Here's the y. That tells me it's a horizontal line. So I'm going to go to where y is -7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. I'm going to do a horizontal line, but I need to decide, is it solid or dotted? It is solid. Oh, that's much better than my last solid line. That was so wiggly wobbly. Then for my shading, y is less than. Less than has the little point. Less thans are below. That's where our littler lines are. Oh, look at below. L, less. Oh, so many hints, so many hints. So, got to get a point. Is 0, 0 a good one? No. Is my birthday a good one? No. So we have, first of all, any point on this line would work. Okay, guys, I've got to admit, just got a phone call. Don't know if you heard the phone. Answered the phone, put it on pause. Have no clue what I was talking about. Looks like we were talking about points. So my birthday's not on there, but we said every point on this line would be a solution. So you could just use the point 0, -7. Why? Because it's a solid line. Remember, if it's dotted, that's no good. If you don't like that because you're kind of creeped out, I would personally stay away from the line unless I had to. How about this one right here? That's a 9, -9. That's a good point too. So you've got lots and lots of choices. You're going to be a machine. You're going to be a lean, mean, inequality machine when you come to class tomorrow because you just did a follow me video. Have a good day.